Now it's time to install the coupler. The right amount of distance between the two coupler hubs is 2 millimeters. We've found that placing 2 credit cards face to face and inserting them between the coupler hubs is a good tool for this measurement. The distance between the 2 coupler hubs is a critical measurement. If this measurement is different than 2 millimeters, consult our coupler installation video. It's important to check that the coupler hubs are horizontally aligned. The coupler hubs should be no higher or lower than 2 millimeters relative to one another. The coupler element can wear out prematurely. If you're seeing misalignment, consult our coupler installation video on how to fix the problem. Now that spacing and alignment has been established between the coupler hubs, it's time to install the green flex element. Before installing the flex element, apply a liberal amount of food-grade grease. Before you can install the flex element, you need to align the coupler teeth. Rotate the rollers until the teeth are in alignment. Install the green flex element. Align the screw holes on the black ring with the green coupler element holes and slide the black ring into place. Use a 2.5 millimeter hex wrench to snug down the screws.